What's up friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to like images or videos on SORA AI. So as you can see, I'm currently on the Explore tab here, looking through various things, and as you can see, and if I find anything that I like, I can quickly go ahead and like it. So have a look at this guy here putting his hand in a somewhat human dog mouth. Look at the hands and the foot. Oh, that's crazy, right? Now all I have to do to like this is simply click the heart on the lower right hand side of each image or video. Once I do that, those pictures or videos will be going into my like section. So let me go ahead and like an image here as well. Now on the left hand side, you will see a bunch of options, right? One of them is likes. If I click on that, it will take me over to my likes. And this is how you can easily go ahead and find your likes. At any point in time, you realize that you have a lot of likes and you want to remove some, just simply uncheck or unlike the picture or video that you see in the list. So let's say I want to unlike this, click on it again, and it's gonna, let's say, unmark it, and you will be able to, let's say, unlike it. If I refresh this current page, you will see that there's only the video there and not the image. And that's how to go ahead and like or unlike, and also to find your likes on Sora AI.